Naipapasa sa kanya yung knowledge and experience ng tito at saka ng tatay niya.
Oo naman.
Great stop for Las Piñas. Now sila naman ang atake. Ang selfish play, may pasabit pa. Too many ball movement.
Important free throws para dito sa panig ng Las Piñas.
Especially as we take a look at this, coach. 74-69 is our score. Make it 74-70. Apat na lang inahabol. 4:04 remaining in our fourth quarter. Apat na lang. Kaya kayang gawin tatlo ito ni Eraskin. Sumablay doon. Pero mas maganda pala ang gusto. And napareact dyan ang bench ng Cavite City, giving them only 2-point advantage. Timeout muna tayo. What an exciting remaining 4 minutes para sa atin dito, Coach Melo. 74-72. Grabing action ang pinakita ng Las Piñas, and that's what we're talking about earlier. I think more than 10 points, around 14 na naman yung naitala ng Cavite City. And ngayon, dalawa na lang ang lamang nila. Looking to tie things up. Oh, turning the ball over. Missed opportunity to tie things up para sa Las Piñas.
Pero ganun lang kabilis. Less than 2 minutes na ibaba nila itong kalamangan. Abot kamay para dito sa panig ng Las Piñas, and Cavite naman trying to hold on to this 2-point lead. Ooh. Too aggressive that time. Tobias natakam na maagaw yung bola.
They have to be careful na. Uubos na ang oras na dito sa fourth quarter. Hindi nila namamalayan. Dalawa na lang inahabol nila, pero 3:45 na lang ang natitira sa ating oras. Bola ng mga nakapula. Shaking of the defense. Nakahanap ng butas. Labas ang tira dyan. Tobias on the rush. Fast break finish. Tabla tayo. 74.
Good look ahead pass para dito sa Las Piñas. Tobias once again finishing the break. Important basket, tying the game to 74.
Nararamdaman na ng Cavite City ang pressure. Tabla na naman sa 74. Hindi papasok yan. Las Piñas na naman. Breaking the tie. Drops it off. Ngayon kay Bercasio. Reset. Hinintay si Tobias. Setting things up. Sakto 3 minutes na natitira. Clock winding down on their shot clock. 7 seconds. De Ocampo. Oh, diving for that ball. Yun nga lang. Turnover na naman.
Bola mapupunta dito sa panig ng Cavite City. Great defensive effort on their end. Ngayon babalik itong si Espiritu.
Pahinga muna si San Juan. Espiritu balik sa aksyon. Lalo na very crucial moments ito. We are nearing the 2-minute mark. Final 2-minute mark of the game. And tabla tayo sa 74. A few more fouls to give para dito sa parehong kupunan. Wala pa sa penalty situation.
And this is where you separate the men from the boys. No? Yung mga ganitong winning moments. Tied game. Dito nalalabas kung sinong buo ang puso.
Tingnan nga natin. Speaking of puso, 9 seconds on the shot clock. Finds that opening. And this time, itong si Gallardo naman ang pupuntos.
And I told you, he is a steady presence para dito sa Cavite City. It's easy to be focused dun sa dalawang key players nila. But Gallardo, maganda ginagawa dito.
Taking back the lead. Tobias knocks it down from deep.
Tobias. That was way outside. Talking about heart. Di ba? Yan ang mga matatapang na players.
Dikit ang laban, coach, pero sumubok sa tres at nakuha yun with full confidence. Final 2 minutes in our game. Naagaw ng Las Piñas. Sila naman ang aatake. Nagmamadali. Great stop. Oh! With confidence ang lakad nito ni Samantila as we take a look at this. Way downtown shot para dito kay Tobias on that replay. Tingnan natin. Oh, stopped in his tracks. Gets the finish.
And I remember saying earlier na yung mga extra passes will pay dividends eventually. Yun ang nga nangyayari ngayon dito para sa panig ng Cavite City.
Lamang ulit ng isa ang Cavite City, 78-77. Keeping this ball game really close. And na-mention nga natin. Look at that shot! De Ocampo gets the 3. Lamang na sila ng dalawa, 80-78. Oh! Elman Salawi, napakadali. One minute, 5 seconds remaining. Tabla tayo sa 80. Napatayo na ang parehong bench ng kupunan. Tobias layup, wala. Oh! Bercasio breaking the tie. Under 1 minute remaining, Coach Melo. Dalawaan lamang ng Las Piñas.
Kapit, partner.
Napakadikit ng laban. Setting things up. Nauubos na ang oras. There will be a foul on that last play. No more fouls to give na ang Las Piñas in this situation. You gotta be careful now. 39.8 seconds, 82-80. Bola ng Cavite City. De La Cruz finding the cracks in the defense. Behind the back pass. Nakuha ni De Ocampo. Outlet. Arsiaga behind the back. Almost loses that ball. Oh! 21 seconds remaining. De La Cruz.
What a sequence.
Shot clock is off. 15 seconds. Can they make it count? Oh! Mendez, Las Piñas ang bola. 8 seconds remaining.
No need to take a shot here.
Yun na nga. As expected. Pipigilan yan ni De La Cruz. Coach Melo, what is happening with Las Piñas and Cavite City? Simula 14 and under to 18 and under. Ang ganda ng pinapakita ng parehong kupunan.
Matinding bakbakan ng ating natutunghayan, and Coach Edgar Billon is wanting to make sure that they will inbound this ball safely.
Pero grabe, pagod na pagod dito si Arsiaga. Napatawag nga muna ng timeout. And magbabalik tayo after the short break. .2 seconds remaining. Penalty situation ng Las Piñas. Lamang sila ng dalawa. Bola ng Las Piñas and si Eraskin ang mag-i-inbound.
You can expect Cavite City to go for that steal. At kapag wala, it's gonna be a quick foul. Las Piñas naman, you just need to inbound it safely. And no better way to put it in the hands of the hottest guy on the floor, itong si Tobias.
Pero si Tobias, siya ang mag-free throw. Exactly 4 seconds remaining. If he makes this...
Oh no, one more foul to give para dito sa Cavite City.
Oh, not yet a penalty situation. Pero yun na nga, tatapusin na nila. At penalty situation na parehong kupunan, De Ocampo. Siya ang mag-free throw. Shooter pa ang napapwesto sa free throw line. Tingnan natin.
They're not yet out of the woods. Talking about itong Las Piñas, these are important free throws.
He has to make at least one.
Pampahirap.
Oo. Especially at 2.9 seconds remaining. If he misses, whoever gets the rebound, yun na magiging deciding factor. And yun na nga. What a game shown by Las Piñas. Their last outing, they lost by 13 points, but now they are up by 3. A very close ball game kontra dito sa Cavite City. What an amazing show.
It has been a great Sunday morning para dito.